Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have a c square plus c square divided by c square equals to c square, and we solve this problem for all the values of c. So here we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. In the first method, you see here this c square is divided by left hand side. When we move it into the right hand side, it will be written as c square plus c square equals to c square multiplied by c square. And now here you see that these are the two same terms which are added by each other, so it means that we need to add its exponents. So the exponent of both of these two terms, we need to add its coefficient, sorry. Okay, so the coefficient of both of these two terms are 1. When we add it here, it will becomes 2 terms of c square is equals to, here you see that these two same terms are multiplied by each other, so we need to add its exponent. So this is 2 plus 2 becomes here 4. So this is the simplified form of the given question statement. Now in the next step, we move the term 2 times c square from left hand side to the right hand side. This is a positive term. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes negative, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now further you see here both of these two terms involve c square, so that we will be take common c square from here. And when we take common c square, we get the remaining values are, this is c to the power of 4 becomes c square minus this is 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step, we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write c square equals to 0, and the second case is we write c square minus 2 is equals to 0. From here we get there are two repeated roots of this equation are 0 and 0, and from here we move minus 2 to the right hand side, and we will get c square is equals to plus 2. So these are the two real roots of the given equation, and from this case we need to remove the square sign. For this we apply square root on both of the sides. These 2 and square root are gone, and we get here c is equals to plus minus square root of 2. So these are the other two complex roots of the other two real roots of the given equation. So you see that there are four roots of the given equation, in which two roots are repeated roots and two roots and three roots are distinct roots: 0 plus square root of 2 and minus square root of 2. And now in the next step, we need to verify that is these roots with the solution or is these roots with the extraneous root. So for verification of these roots, we need to copy down given question statement here. It is c square plus c square divided by c square is equals to c square. In this side, we will be verify c is equals to 0, and in this side, we will be verify c is equals to plus minus square root of 2. So first we will verify c is equals to 0, and for this we substitute c is equals to 0 on both of the sides, and it will becomes 0 square plus 0 square divided by 0 square is equals to 0 square. So this 0 square becomes 0 over 0 form is equals to 0. So you see here our left hand side becomes a 0 over 0 form, or usually we will be called that it is indeterminate form, or in other words we say that it is undefined. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value c is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we called that c is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, c equals to 0 be the extraneous root. And now here in the same pattern, we need to verify the second roots of the given equation. So we substitute c is equals to plus minus square root of 2 on both of the sides, and it will becomes plus minus square root of 2 and its whole square plus minus square root of 2 and its whole square divided by plus minus square root of 2 and its whole square equals to plus minus square root of 2 and its whole square. Here you remember one thing is that when we apply scale on positive term or negative term, it always gives us the positive answer. So this plus minus square becomes here plus only, and this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here 2 only plus. In the same pattern, we apply the same definition on all of these values on both of the sides. So this plus minus sign is also becomes plus, and these 2 and square root are gone, and we get here 2 divided by 2 is equals to 2. So we have this is 2 plus 2 becomes 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. This is 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get here 2 equals to 2. This shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value c is equals to plus minus square root of 2 is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of this problem is plus minus square root of 2. This is our final answer which we get here from first method. And now we again solve this problem for a second method. So for second method, we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is this is c square plus c square divided by c square is equals to c square. This is our given question statement. And in the second method, here our second method with a very straightforward or quick method. Here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. So we have c square plus c square becomes 2 times of c square, and it is divided by c square is equals to c square. This c square and this c square are gone, and we obtain 2 is equals to c square. So for the values of c, we need to take square root on both of the sides, and these 2 and square root are gone, and we obtain the values of c are plus minus square root of 2. So in the second method, we get these are the two roots of the given equation, and in the first method, we already verify that both of these two roots satisfy our given question statement. So finally, we have the solution set of this problem is plus minus square root of 2. This is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.